quick video. I don't have a lot of time this morning, but I got a couple of things from Fendi and Louis Vuitton that I thought that you might like to see. So this is just going to be a straight to the point unboxing so I can put this stuff away. I've got a ton going on right now. I will start with the Louis Vuitton piece, which is actually a piece for my husband. And they make it nice and easy to open the box. This is it. And as you can tell, this is the Louis Vuitton belt and monogram Eclipse. So it has, oops, that's upside down, the Louis Vuitton buckle, and he absolutely loves this print. I got him two sizes because I'm not sure exactly which one he would wear, but so there's another one in that bag, but he'll try them out and then we'll just return one. The price on this, the price of this belt, you can tell I'm in a hurry because I'm rushing a little bit, I'm sorry, is $575. So my husband loves Louis Vuitton belts. He also has an Hermes belt that he never wears, which is actually my favorite. But I think this will be a nice addition to his collection. Again, he's obsessed with the monogram Eclipse print, and I don't want to take the protective coating off since we may not keep this one. But it's a nice, I would say, brushed nickel belt with the Louis Vuitton logo. So that, my friends, is that from Louis Vuitton. Oh, I will try and show a snapshot of my outfit at some point, probably right now in the video. My sorors will love this. This is how I represent Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated when I'm going to work. Subtle, but not so subtle, right? Okay. So now I am going to show you what I got from Fendi, and I'm really excited. I actually have no business filming this morning. I am running very, very late, but I've been waiting for this piece to come in, and this kind of rounds out the stuff that's on my immediate wish list for the moment. Oh, here's the box. These are flying off the shelves. I saw this in the Fendi catalog earlier this summer, and they just got one into Atlanta. So I want to cover this up so it doesn't give it away. Here's the dust bag. And here is the bag. Ugh. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? Lean back a little bit. This is the Fendi, a Fendi tote. Let me just see what the name of this is, because I know a lot of you are going to love this. My receipt says Fendi Leah GDS. Price is $3,390. And this beauty is absolutely stunning. This is the back of it, and this is the front, which has a nice zipper pocket. I love these kind of woven handles here. There we go, that's a little bit better view. So you can carry it like this, but also the stuffing out. To see. Oh, this is such a beautiful bag. Don't be scared because it does come with the rings. And so, you know, you can clip whatever. As you guys know, I've got a couple of Fendi straps or any other strap to this bag and make it a little bit more functional, because, I mean, this is nice in concept, and yeah, if you're not really doing too much, but you also might want to sling this over your shoulder or find an extra long strap to put it crossbody. So it's got a fabric lined pocket here. Let's see if there's any more style information on this card. Oh, there you go, if you're interested in that. And this is, I think, just care information. Yeah, this is just care information in this little envelope. And what I love, another thing I love about this is it is suede lined. So this is just a high quality bag, period. This is absolutely, positively gorgeous. So I will insert a still shot of this beauty so that you can see it and all of its glory. But I absolutely love this, and this is part of the fall collection. Literally, it came into Atlanta. They didn't even put it on the shelf because I had already pre-ordered it. I'm sure they'll get more in though. Okay, so that is item number 1 from Fendi. Item number 2 actually will help me out a little bit with this video. So it is in this bag, wrapped up absolutely gorgeously. That is the little box. It's in here. And it is this Fendi strap. So what I love about this is it's got the tan with the little Fendi hearts on one side, and it says Fendi. And on the other side, it is green. And by now, maybe by now, you will have seen that I have another item that will match, excuse me, this perfectly. But this will allow me to demonstrate how this hooks onto the Leah tote. So there's just a ring here, and all you do is clasp this on nice and easy. And you've got yourself a shoulder bag, and that actually looks really cute. Oh, I forgot to mention this little pink heart. So that makes this bag so much more functional. And actually, it's very, very cute with this bag. I also have the Fendi strap that just says Fendi and gold. I think that'll be absolutely beautiful. Let me put it over this way. And I will include shots with both straps. So that completes my little 10-minute Fendi haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the bag, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for your wonderful feedback on my videos. Again, I've gotten a couple of quality comments, and they've all been super constructive and really kind, just saying, hey, improve your lighting, get your background together. Your channel deserves so much more exposure than it's getting, and that's part of the reason that it might not be getting the exposure. I totally understand and I accept your feedback, but I've got to work within my limitations of time. So I will slowly improve over time, but just want to remind people that this is my hobby. I never intended for this to even be as big as it is now, which is really a little corner on YouTube for us to get together and talk about things, all things luxury. So as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like me to show up in your feed every time I upload a video, please subscribe. And if you can't even wait that long and want to be notified every time I upload a video, please click the bell to the upper right hand corner of your screen. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye.